Hello, can you guys can hear my voice? So if you can hear, please comment in the chat box. Okay, guys. So thank you for coming. So today we will learn about how we can use React in Laravel 8. First thing first, make sure you already install Laravel 8. Okay. Okay. So we go to installation. Okay. So make sure you open command line cmd terminal. Okay. Alright, so before that, I need you guys to check your PHP version. Okay. So make sure you have 7.3 and above, equal or above. Okay. So I think you can change the directory. Change to desktop. Okay. Then make sure you install Composer. Okay, Composer have installation. Okay. So you can I believe you guys already set up for this. Okay, they have a Windows setup, Mac setup, Linux setup. Okay, so you can try run Composer once you install. So like mine, you will get this message. So we technically you already install Composer. Okay, so Composer, create project. This and then the project name. So Laravel React. So this your project file, project folder. Okay. It's still updating. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, you can ask. Okay, done. Right. So we try to change to this directory. Laravel React. Then try run PHP artisan. So, okay, so go to open your browser. Salam. Salam Faris. Okay. So this is your Laravel. Okay, so it's done. Right, so we end. Okay, just close your terminal. Okay, make sure you install Visual Studio Code. Like mine, I already installed, so no need to install again. Okay, Visual Studio. Okay, open. Start over there. Open. Okay. So we try run using terminal. So PHP artisan. So oh, sehat je. Lama tak borak. Post busy sangat. Lepas dah kahwin kan. Okay. So refresh. Okay, done. Okay. try add another terminal. Okay, VS Code. Close. Okay, so so we are trying to create a simple to-do list web application using React. Okay, so what I want you guys to do is install Laravel UI. So require Laravel UI. Minta tips. Tak ada tips yang bagus lah bos. Okay, still updating. Okay, so I got a lot memory size. Okay, I think this one we can counter. I think we need to adjust the PHP file because since I got this error message. So I try to end some of the activities. So I try to end. Dropbox. Okay. Testing. Okay. We'll try again. Boleh bos. Okay. Memory issue. Okay, so for green. Okay, I got error message. Okay, I think it's the memory issue. So which composer? PHP memory limit. Okay, I try to update composer. Update. Thank you, Zal. Try updating. So please be patient. Okay, so far so good. Laravel UI already installed. So using Composer update. Okay. Okay guys, if you have any question you can ask. Don't be shy. Okay. So we install Bootstrap. Design UI Bootstrap. Okay, so need to run the command. Okay, so npm install run dev. Okay, then they want later we try. So PHP artisan so React. So we install reactjs. Sorry, just React. Sorry. Okay, preset. Let me remember how to. I think we need to add change preset into UI React. Okay, so far so good. Okay. Okay, then we try. Okay, so before you using npm, make sure you install Node.js. Okay, so make sure you download this one. Okay, LTS, download and install. So once you download and install, so you can check using terminal. Okay, run node php. So this is your version. So 14.15.4. So I already installed the latest one, so no need to install this one. Okay, so npm v. Okay, so not packaging manager. 6.14.10. Okay, so we go back here. So we try to run npm install. Okay, done. Okay, so we need to run npm run dev. Okay, we try go to resources, views, and welcome.blade.php. So title here, try here to do this. And the link. Okay, I think we can remove this one. Just check out. So link, so we check first. Okay, so we will attach to this file. Okay, CSS. CSS. Okay, so body thing can take out all. Okay, and play with this one ID example. So script source js.app.js. So we will connect with this one. JS. Save. And we try to refresh. Okay, we have to do this, but there are no example. So we try to take a look here if there any issue. Okay. Okay, open back your terminal. Okay, I think this one should be I think we need to run some Laravel mix. Laravel mix. I think we can use this command. npm run. Okay, try one more time. I think it's working. Okay, compile successfully. So refresh. See, this is the example. Component and an example component. Okay, so you can check the side there. So container, this is the example component now. Alright, okay, so next we need to set up a database. So I already installed. Okay, I'm using mem. So you can install either like mem or wham. Mem also can wham or zam. So this one is mem, right? Or zam. Okay. Or wham. Got a lot. Okay. Any of this is still workable. So So you can try this out. Okay, so okay, open. We go to PHP my admin. Okay, so we will create a new DB. So we name it as React Laravel. Okay, create. Okay, database is this. Okay, we drop this. So React Laravel. Create. Okay, so we already created our database. Okay. Right. So go back to your Laravel. Find env file here. Okay, so database connection. Okay, this one correct set. So this one be React Laravel. React Laravel. Okay, username root. Okay, I think just empty. I'm not remember, but we try first. Depends on your uh, credentials. Okay, some password got root, some password just blank. Okay. Okay, once you update, okay, go to app service provider.php. Service provider. Okay. Then we can use dominate support scheme. Right. Then under inside function boot, you can name it schema default string length 1 and 1. So by default, we will create string 191, the size. Okay. We need to create a new table. Okay. So how to create new table? So go to here. So we need to create a migration file. Okay, migration file. So you can use this command. So PHP artisan make migration create task table. Okay, so PHP artisan make migration create task table. Then okay, go to database migration. So empty, right? No, actually not empty. They have a 3 migration file. This one by default. By default, we create a user table, password, and fail job table. Okay, so once I enter, so a new migration file. Okay, so this is error message, right? Okay, go back to service provider. Okay, I think with now as save. Clear. So try one more time. Okay. See, new folder have been created. So this is the create task table. Okay. Okay. So we need to add. We need to update the schema. Okay. Okay. So inside here, so we need to add table string name. Okay, table string description. Okay, so let's check the drop if exists task. Say yes. So if you want to roll back, we drop the table. Okay. So next, we run PHP migrate. Okay, PHP artisan migrate. Okay. So error, yeah, error. So what's the error message? Okay, so go back to app service provider. Okay, by right, by right is correct. Okay, this one already we already import the package. Okay, so I'm not sure why default string length not be accepted. Okay, connection refuse. So if connection refuse, I think we need to add another one root. We try run the migration or migrate. We do migrate. Okay, so okay, why connection refuse? Okay, so React Laravel. So this one, this is the database. So I think there are no issue with the database. It's already created there. So React Laravel. So I think we need to have because I'm using Mac. I need to have a driver. But if you don't have, if you're not using Mac, I think no issue with this one. Okay. Um, okay, I think you should. I think you need to set up the socket. Okay. So maybe the socket missing. So you need we need to add. Okay. So this db socket. Okay. So to find mem socket file. So this is the socket file. You can copy here. Okay. So we can try to find it. So go folder. So this the socket. Okay. Okay, we try open config ini database. So this is DB socket. Okay, we try run one more time. See, successful. Okay, you go back to sorry, this DB, right? So when I refresh, then these all the tables already migrated into your DB. Okay. Okay, next. So next, we need to create a new model. Okay, new model. So model will be created inside this folder, models. So how to create model? So PHP artisan make model task. Then this the new model have been created. Okay, then we need to create new controller. Okay, controller, right? Task controller. So we want to control the business logic. So PHP artisan make controller task controller. See, this is the task controller. Okay. Then you need go open this and inside the model. So this is the model. So what you need to do is you need to add protected variable name description. Sorry. Okay. So once done, we can install React Stripe. So what is React Stripe? So React Stripe. So React Bootstrap. So I know React Bootstrap 4. Okay, so this is for React Bootstrap 4 components. Okay, then how to install React Stripe? So we can install this. So npm install React Stripe save. So we save locally and not globally. Okay, I think okay. Okay, successful. Okay, just ignore that. Okay, so go to resources. So we try to close this one. Resources JS components. See, then we need to create new file. We call it as index.js. So this is our new component lah. So we call it index component. So we create class based component. Okay, so import React from React. Okay, so import React from React DOM. Import table button from React Stripe. So class index extends React dot component. Okay, so render return Okay, so why error? Because we don't have any uh, syntax inside return, so they need the script need to return something. Okay, so we will use JSX, just JSX. Okay, JavaScript expression plus name app container table here image page name page description. So this we just create a column first, the actions the body cr the try we create a dummy data first. So first lemak button color so success will be green. This one success size this one first name and R2. Okay, you can refer to this for documentation here. Okay, just refer to here in here. So MR2 20 color size. Okay, I think your next class no need. Okay, save. So when you save, there are no error. Okay, we try to refresh. Okay, nothing happened, right? Because we need to. Okay, I think we need to add some export. So once we create the index component, every time we created a component, so we need to export. Okay, so we need to export. So export. So if document.get by ID, so we try to glue this into our welcome blade.php. So that's the way we need part we can render up from there. So down render index. Okay, so what is this? So the first parameter index is what we want to render. Then the second parameter is where we want to render. Okay, on ID index. Okay, so we need to add index ID inside welcome.blade.php. Okay. All right. So far so good. Okay. So go to what we call resource JavaScript. So JavaScript reactjs. Okay, so here we can add another one. So require components index. See. Okay. Then okay, we close all the tabs. So welcome.play.php. So here we need to change into index. So index this is where we want to render. So save and refresh. Okay. So nothing happened, right? Okay. So why it happened? Okay, because you need to compile. You need to mix it first. Okay. Okay. Before that, go to this file. So welcome here. I think this one I need to touch. Okay. Okay, so go to terminal. We need to run npm run dev. So we need to mix it first. Okay, successful. Okay, successful. Then you need to refresh. See, this is your page. Okay, right. Okay. Okay, go to your index component here. So this index component, right? So we need to create a constructor. So constructor. Okay, because we want to set. We need to declare state. Okay. So this the state as okay. Okay, go to controller. Okay, task controller. Okay, we need to update here. Okay, we need to import. Import task model first. Public function index. So return task or so this function will return all the records. Okay, public function. Okay, actually this one we want to create an API. So our here this React app, React application can retrieve the data through our API. Okay. to ID. Okay, so this one we want to see specific task based on task ID, based on ID. Find ID. And public function store. Okay, this one we want to retrieve specific task based on ID. Store request and return task create request all. Okay, so this is where we create a new record. So we do the update. Okay, function update request, okay, and then we add another parameter ID. So we need to determine which record we want to update based on ID. Task find or fill ID. Task delete. Okay, last. So delete. This is delete. Delete request ID. So task find or fill ID. Task delete. Return 4. Okay, next we need to add API endpoints. Okay, in routes folder. Okay, so route get method task controller index, so index function here, then route get task ID task controller show. Okay, so we find based on ID. So route. Okay, so for store we using post method task controller store. So this one same put task. Okay, which need to update. Okay, which record, then delete pass delete, so pass controller and delete. Okay, so far so good. Okay, so we go here. So make sure you install Postman. Introduce the Postman. Okay, make sure you install first. Okay, once you install, you download and install. Okay, then we go back here. I already installed, so no need to install. Okay. Loading. Alright. Okay, so we open this. Okay. So we try our API. Is it working or not? So we try first, Okay. So this one, try to just test Okay. So API task. Okay, I think this one, I think we need to use this. Okay, thank you Hazim for subscribe. Okay. Let me check. API endpoint. Okay, if I'm mistaken, it's quite not really major differences, but we need to adjust a little bit about inside this file. Okay. Okay, task controller. So check either is it okay task controller. So if not mistaken, the URL is exists. So you can check task. Okay, task controller index. So I think this one correct. So should be we need which is I don't think it's a issue here. So because API some API task. So set is not exist. Okay, maybe we can try. I not really remember this one. Does not exist. So we try to Google it. Okay. I think there are some changes. I not really remember this one. Okay, the syntax, yes. If I remember last time, this one suitable for Laravel 7. Okay, but for Laravel 8 you need to do some adjustment. Okay, like this, right? So this one not Laravel 7, so we need to do some update lah. Okay, this one, okay, we need to use like this. So this is the correct way to adjust lah. So we need to use full path. Okay, so let's say this one, the full path for task controller is app http controllers. Okay, so we need to update here. Okay, same goes with others. Okay, then save. Try send. Okay, app task not found. Okay, so this is the model. Okay, so app, actually not app task, it's app models. Okay, this one if app task just for Laravel 7, but this one already Laravel 8, right? So we need to adjust the modeling path. So app models task. Okay, then we refresh. Not refresh. Okay, so empty. Why empty? Because there is no data yet inside task table. Okay, it's empty. So this is our job to create a new record. Okay, how to do that? So we need to use post method. Okay, post method. So we need to add some form data. Okay, then we need to add. So name, description. Okay, task. So this one correct. So if you go here, right, API, so post task, so just task the API endpoint. Okay, so let me say nasi lemak. Sorry, breakfast. Susu. Okay, milk. Okay, milk. Send. Okay, so you already create the data, new record. So refresh. So this is your new data. Okay, right. Okay, so next you need to okay, we try grab the data. We grab all the data lah. So get, so none, send. See, this is site array. Okay, we try to get. So let's say the ID one, right? Get only one record. Okay, here one object. Okay. Okay, what if we want to update the data? Okay, update the record. So we're using post. Okay, one. Then from data here, so I want to change milk to nasi lemak. Okay, send. Okay, task in 23. Okay, can fix that. actually here. Okay, try run one more time. Okay, 204 actually is already updated lah. So nasi milk, nasi lemak. Okay, so what happened? Okay, supposedly it should update Okay, I think not 204. Some task. Okay, we try one more time. We post again. We post. Okay, nasi lemak, right? So right now nasi lemak. Okay, I want to update ID number 2. Okay, nasi lemak into milk. Okay, send. Okay. Okay, supposedly it should be updated. I don't know why not updated. Okay, because we delete So it's just me silly mistake. So we need to write like this. So request all. Okay. Okay, we try one more time. Post. Okay, milk. Okay, we input milk, refresh. Okay, milk. Then we try to update update. So ID number 3. Nasi lemak. Okay, see. Supposedly nasi lemak. Okay, I don't know why it's still not changed. It's supposedly update the data. So we need to make sure this one clear first. Okay, I'm not sure what's the issue here. Okay, let me check. Supposedly it's already updated. Okay. So maybe somewhere here, somewhere is not correct. Okay. Okay, actually this one is not task update 3. It's task ID here, but we need to use put method. Okay, but I'm not sure why is not supposedly updated this one. Okay, I'm still thinking why the error happened. Okay, but by right there is already correct. Okay, maybe we need to check our model here. If you notice model also no issue. Yes, we're using put method. Okay, by right supposedly update but I'm not sure why not update. Let me check first. Okay. So I think for once we done tested all the API, we will continue the next live streaming for React. Yeah, for we will create a new app here. So actually we already integrate with the React, so we just need to add some like form like pop up and so like that. Okay, but since we stuck here, so I will end this live streaming. Then we will continue on part 2. So this just for part 1. So once I done fix the issue, then we can continue for part 2. Alright. So you guys have any questions before I end this live streaming? Okay. So by right is correct, but I'm not sure which one. But it can be fixed during part 2. Okay, you guys have any questions? No questions, eh? Okay, so if no questions, I will end this live streaming. So thank you very much for coming this channel, okay, and watching this video tonight. So I will let you know. I will let you know when I will do for the next live streaming, especially for this on part 2. Okay, so thank you very much. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Okay, and good night. Bye bye.